Now, I explain the fifth and last concept in the series. This is 5 basic operations performed by a program. In the previous concept, I explained every program is divided into 3 sections IPO. And if you count, they perform 5 basic operations. That also we have to know for the sake of clarity. Okay, what are those operations? Creating data, storing data, retrieving data, manipulating data, and displaying data. Now, I explain this concept very practically. Actually, in the third concept, I explained about a declaration statement. This is int age is equal to 20. This is a declaration statement. Whatever data we want to use in a program, it should be declared first. For that purpose, we are writing this. Now, with reference to this, I explain these 5 operations. Carefully listen. First thing is, we have to create data. Creating data. For that purpose, int age. Then what happens? As a result of that, one memory container is created. A memory container is created which is meant for storing data. Okay. Now you imagine its name is, hereafter its name is age and its type is int. So you construct a house, name it as sweet home. Like that, your house name is sweet home. Its memory location name is age, its type is int. So this is creation of data. Suppose I want to store my phone. For that purpose, one container is required. What is the container? This is the container. This is first container I have to get ready. Proper container. That is creating data. Second one is storing data. Storing data, and now you see, I want to store 20 in that. My age is 20. 20 I want to store. As a result of that, what happened? 20 is stored here. So creating data, storing data. Okay, that's it. Thereafter, next year, my age becomes 21. 21. Then what should I do? I have to increment the 20 by 1. Then what should I do? Age is equal to 20 plus 1. For that purpose, I have to retrieve that. I have to retrieve it before processing. So I retrieve it 20 and make an addition. So here 2 operations we are making. What are the 2 operations? Retrieving data and thereafter manipulating data or processing data. Then as a result of that, 21 has come. That 21 is stored here. 20 is replaced by 21. Okay. Thereafter, the data, latest age is stored in the memory. How can you see that? It should be displayed on the monitor screen. Whenever it is displayed on the monitor screen, then only we can view that. So if you see any operation, any statement in a program, regardless of the language, it performs one of the 5 operations: creating data, storing data, retrieving data, manipulating data. Manipulating means making a process. It may be addition, subtraction, division, or multiplication. Any operation that is called manipulation of data and displaying data. These are the 5 operations. Okay, you have to remember, and you take it as a data. This is creating a data, storing data, retrieving data, manipulating data, displaying data. So in this manner you remember. And one thing I am telling you, concept is core. You understand every concept from a real life angle. In this manner, if you explain to somebody, if you are a teacher, to your students, in an interview, as a candidate, if you explain to others, those are very much impressed. That point always you remember. Until unless you speak out properly, nobody will recognize, regardless of your knowledge.